Please don't screw, I'm just trying to become a big content creator. One day, but I have no support. So if you have the chance, please subscribe. Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome to Steve Locks, your one-stop channel for every hairstyle in dreadlocks and beginner-friendly hairstyles. If you're just starting your hair journey or want to take your locks to the next level, you're in the right place. I'm here to guide you step by step with easy-to-follow tutorials, tips, and inspiration for amazing dreadlock styles. Speech Balloon, I'm on a mission to grow this community. So if you find value in what I share, please hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Your support means the world to me and helps me get closer to my dream of being a big content creator one day. Let's unlock your hair's potential together. Let's get started.